2015 PFP Champ.
Hello, Carrie. How are you?
Hi, Carlos. Can you please tell us how it feels to be our 2015 PFP Champ?
Oh, it feels great. It's been a long road, but we finally made it, and it's an honor and a pleasure to be the PFP Champ in 2015.
Awesome. We have a few questions for you. Your fans would love to get to know you a little better. We have a few fun questions. We'll start with Justin Bieber or Backstreet Boys?
I would say Backstreet Boys just because old school. I like to go old school.
All right, the dark side or the light side?
The light side, definitely.
A Mac or a PC?
I'm a PC all the way.
Well done or rare?
Well done.
Hello by itself or by
Oh, Lionel Mitchell, that's it.
Star Trek or Star Wars?
Star Wars, big fan of Star Wars.
iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Batman or Superman?
Batman.
Coke or Pepsi?
I'm a Pepsi guy.
Okay, now back to you in the studio. Coach, how do you feel having the 2015 MVP on your team?
Oh, I couldn't be more happy for him. Carlos had a phenomenal 2015. We started out just a little bit, slow there in the first quarter, but what Carlos did was he went back to basics, went back to what we really try to do and support our customers. Started making the phone calls, getting on the line, talking to them, walking them through their issues. Surveys started going up, the responses from customers started going up, and so the feedback that we got from those customers was just stellar, which got them the victories in the second, third, fourth quarter, and the overall winner. So couldn't be more proud of them.
Hey, Coach, what's your plan for 2016 to bring the rest of your team up to the same level that Carlos performed at this year?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'd like to take the best practices that Carlos has shown us here and start rolling that out to the entire organization, so we can all start interacting with our customers, calling our customers, really interacting with them, not so much through email, but picking up the phone, connecting with them. I think we'll all have the success that Carlos had in 2015 in 2016.
And if I may, Coach, one of the things that really helped me achieve this goal was to build relationships with my customers, calling them, asking how the family is doing, going beyond the case, going beyond what the support issue was. And I have customers that sent me gifts for Christmas, call me without cases just to say hi. And we ask each other about our kids, how's everything doing, how was Halloween, and so building that relationship with them helps greatly in the process.
Any more questions?
All right, thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be a champ?
It feels really nice. It's been a long road, all 2015, working hard and putting a lot of effort to it, but it's nice to see the reward.
What advice would you give your teammates going into 2016?
Well, I think the biggest advice I can give my teammates is to create an interaction with the customers. With every customer counts. Start a case by calling the customer. Pick up the phone and give them a call. Say hi. Be nice. Smile while you're talking. That, unbelievably enough, it does go again. Through the cable, and they hear it. They can see it. Not sending emails has always been a bad experience for me. I don't like sending 1,000 emails back and forth with one customer. I would rather pick up the phone and get the situation resolved as soon as possible. I do feel that picking up the phone and calling them, at first, it's a great sign that we really care about our customers, and we have that people mentality, and we're all about people first, so we gotta walk the talk and not only making the first call, following up with the customers. If you say you're gonna call them back tomorrow, do call them back tomorrow. If you make promises, keep your promises. Also very important, I think, it's to place one last call to confirm with the customer that everything has been resolved. I usually try to do that as much as I can. Just, hey, just checking in on you, making sure that everything's okay, the reports are working fine, all the data is correct. And I've noticed that customers really like that. They feel that we really care about them, and they feel that we're not only here to do a job, but we're here to build a relationship, a working relationship with them, and we treat them as family. So that makes a huge difference.
Carlos, what's been your biggest challenge?
My biggest challenge has been just to deal with all the multitasking that comes with the job, and being able to handle all the cases and all the calls and emails on time, and just keeping a friendly attitude towards all the customers.
What's your strategy for success?
My strategy for success, I would say that having a whatever it takes attitude, it helps me a lot. Because with a whatever it takes attitude, I think that it empowers me to go the extra mile, go beyond to whatever needs to be done to satisfy the customer, to turn a frown into a smile.
Carlos, who do you feel is your biggest competition coming into the 2016 season?
Wow, my biggest competition, I think it's an open game, really. Everyone, it's a good competitor here. We're all capable of achieving greatness here at Ultimate, and really, I'm competing against everyone here. It's tough, it's a tough job.
All right, no more questions, guys.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
And don't forget to drink Gatorade.